Hello everyone, today I, Shubhangi Tiwari, a student of City International School, is going to explain you the first chapter of class 12 in physics. The name is Electric Charge and Field. So, first we will discuss about what is electrostatic force. The charges which are at rest and on which we find the force is known as electrostatic force. So, when a body loses an electron or gains an electron, a body gets charged. Let's see. If it loses an electron, it will gain positive charge. If it gains an electron, that means it will get negative charge. On the basis of this, we can get some properties of charges. So, our next topic is what are the properties of charges. As we all know that there are many properties of charges, but we will discuss some. So, the first and the foremost property of charges is the charge can be algebraically added. So, let's see an example how they can be algebraically added. If a body having a charge, if a body A is having a charge plus 4q and body B is having a charge minus 2q. So, what will be the resultant charge? Plus 4q plus minus 2q. That means plus 2q. So, by this example we get to know they can be algebraically added normally. As we do our normal addition or subtraction, then there are many, some of us do the mistakes. They cannot be subtracted. That we see again, we are subtracting it, but there is a sign between that we are adding them. So, the second property of a charge is it is in a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity. So, what is the SI unit of charge? That is coulomb. SI unit of a charge is coulomb. So, where 1 coulomb is equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 electrons. The third property is the charges can be conserved in an isolated system, where in every charge there is the net force on a system is 0. So, now the last property of a charge is quantization of charge. The word is new for us, so let's see what is quantization of charge. We will discuss it in detail today. When a charge is an integral multiple of their fundamental charges. नहीं समझ आए होगी. Let's see. Q is equals to plus minus N, where N is number of electrons and E is a fundamental charge. Where E is equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 90. So, this is the formula of N, where by this formula we get to know that charge will exist or not. To exist a charge, the N should be an integer. Let's see how. If N is equals to Q by E, where N belongs to integer, then only charge will exist. If N is equals to Q by E, where N is not equals to integer, then charge will not exist. Can we do a question on the charge? Let's see. So can we have a question on the charge, that charge will exist or not? So now, if Q is equals to 1.8 into 10 to the minus 19. So now we have to find that this charge is existing or not. So now let's. Q is equals to NE. 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 19 is equals to N. As you all know that what's the value of Q? E. That's 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So when N is equals to 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 19 upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, that will get cancel out, the point will cancel each other, and that will become 8 and 9. Now we can see that 9 upon 8, it cannot cancel each other. That means the charge will not exist at all. So now let's see. Now let's see what are the three types of charges. The first charge is charging by induction. Charging by friction. And charging by conduction. Now, first we'll talk about what is charging by conduction. We'll go from down to up. Okay. So now the first topic is what is charging by induction. In charging by induction, the two bodies are come contact with each other, and when they separated, they get equal charges on each other. So now let's see how. If a body A is having plus 4q charge and body B is having minus 8q charge. So now let's come contact. Now let's take them in contact. Then now take them separately. This is a charge Q and the new charge on them will be Q dash. So plus 4Q minus 8Q will be equals to minus 8Q minus 4Q. So they both will be having an plus minus 4Q charge. As we talked that they will get separated equally, so both will having a charge minus 2Q and minus 2Q. We'll discuss in next video that what is charging by induction and charging by friction. Thank you for watching.